Yo, mic check, mic check. Yeah, here you go. Oh, nah, he over here. Yeah, I heard he got that hot new thing. It's called. Let's get it going. Hey, turn it over, Andy. Turn around now. Turn it over, Andy. Yo, hey, 5 to 5 a second. This a club, girl, while you arrive naked. Hear that out, a veteran glide direct. But don't download, go out and buy the record. Hey, something sexy about a girl on the floor, all her friends around her. I mean, real clean, ain't gotta touch or nothing. It ain't like I like a chick on chick or something. I'm just a sucker for a hot track. Give me a drink and a chick to tell stop that. Dance is a hop and a clap, flip it round. Now bring it on back, break it down, now switch.
Hey, Dirty, what? Look at that girl right there. She makes me say,
Boom, boom,
yeah.
boom, do what you do. I like the way you do that right there, right there. Switch your hips when you walk and let down your hair, down your hair. I like the way you do that right there, right there. Lick your lips when you're talking, that make me stir, make me stir. I like the way you look in them pants, yeah, you're fine. Lil' mama a quarter piece, she far from a dime. The type of girl that'll get you up and go make you grind. I'm thinking about snatching her up, dirty, making her mine. Look at her hips, look at her legs, ain't she stacked? I sure wouldn't mind hitting that from the back. I like it when I touch her cause she moan a little bit. Chain sagging so I can see her thong a little bit. I know you grown a little bit, 20 years old, you legal. Don't trip off my people, just hop in the Regal. I swoop on her like an eagle, swoop down and spray. I know you popular, but you gon'